Hello future doctors, welcome to Dipenism. We are discussing the rapid tricky 3 MCQs for NEET exam point of view, and we are discussing about circulation. Now first MCQ, when you examine the blood of a patient, there are large immature nucleated RBCs without hemoglobin. Supplementing the diet with which of the following alleviate his symptoms of anemia, whether it is thiamine, folic acid and cobalamin, riboflavin or iron compounds. So in this MCQ, the main clue are large immature and nucleated RBCs. Also, since there is no hemoglobin, that means the patient is definitely suffering from anemia. Now, in a particular type of anemia where the RBCs are much larger in size, they are nucleated and immature, this condition results whenever there is vitamin B12 and folate or folic acid deficiency. Vitamin B12 is also known as cobalamin. So definitely the answer to this MCQ is deficiency of folic acid and cobalamin, and the anemia is known as the macrocytic anemia. Whenever there is iron deficiency, remember future doctors, it results in microcytic anemia, whereas the cobalamin, vitamin B12 and folate deficiency results in macrocytic anemia. Moving to the next MCQ, a drop of each of the following is placed separately on 4 slides. Which one of the following will not coagulate? Whether it is the whole blood from pulmonary vein, blood plasma, blood serum or sample from thoracic duct of lymphatic system. Now in this MCQ, the main clue is no coagulation. Now as we are aware, coagulation occurs because of the clotting factors, and clotting factors are mainly present in the plasma part. So option A is whole blood, which will contain the plasma part, and plasma part will contain the clotting factors, so this will coagulate. Blood plasma, again the plasma will contain the clotting factors. Blood serum, serum is specifically plasma part minus the clotting factors, mainly the fibrinogen. Hence, since the fibrinogen is absent in the serum, this is not going to coagulate. Even lymph, which is taken from the thoracic duct, that will contain certain clotting factors, but the correct answer will be blood serum, which does not contain any clotting factors. Third MCQ, the most active phagocytic white blood cell is. Now in certain MCQ, you should be directly knowing the answer without even looking at the options. Now there are 5 types of WBCs, and the phagocytic WBCs are mainly the neutrophils and the monocytes. So here the answer will be option B, that is neutrophil and monocytes, which are the phagocytic cells. Other WBCs have alternative functions. For example, eosinophils, they are mainly active during allergic conditions and they are antihistaminic in properties. Lymphocytes mainly produces the antibodies. Basophil, one of the WBC is not mentioned, but basophil has the main function of secretion of heparin and histamine, whereas these two are the phagocytic WBCs. That's all from Dipenism. Thank you.